So I have a little cheese quesadilla that's gonna go to my son. He's gonna have it for just a little lunch snack. It looks pretty good. Just a plain cheese quesadilla, easy to eat. Something my kid is gonna enjoy. And this is my burrito. It's pretty good size. Alright, here it is, unwrapped. Looks pretty good. Not bad at all. I'm gonna cut it open so you guys can see what it looks like on the inside. Egg, cheese, and potato breakfast burrito from Don Tortaco. Alright, here we go. First bite. It's pretty good. Not too heavy. It's big enough to satisfy a hungry man. Tastes pretty good. You can add sauce to it, add sauces to it, dress it up any way you like. Honestly, this is 3.5 out of 5. Very solid breakfast burrito by Don Tortaco. It does the job. It'll fill you up. You'll be good to go the rest of the day. That's about it. Just your basic working class burrito, man. Thank you guys for joining me for my breakfast. See you guys in the next video.